Good morning, guys. Today we are finally doing a fall wardrobe switch over. I'm going to turn the spring summer wardrobe into fall winter. I have my bags ready to go, and yeah, let's do this. So the first thing I do is I bring out the wardrobe that I had in storage. So in this case, it's the fall winter wardrobe, and I store them in these plastic bags for now. Like in the future, I do want to get like the fabric kind of bags that I can put on the top shelves of my wardrobe. But for now, these plastic bags work fine. I've been using them for a couple of years now, and I've never had any like mold issues or anything like that. So I bring them out, put them on the floor, so I have the plastic bags empty to put the summer things that I get out of the wardrobe into the plastic bags. So let's just do some music and relax and do this organization video. All right, let's start with this section. I'm not going to go through everything, but this is like one of my favorite sections. Well, the whole wardrobe is like a dream. Of course, linen dresses need to go. This slip dress as well. My trench coats actually pretty much stay the whole season or the whole year in my wardrobe, just because I wear them all the time except for maybe winter and summer. But I don't know, I don't have a lot of trench coats, so I just leave them here. I have this beautiful dress from a Reformation that I just bought for the LTK event. I think I'm going to let it stay here just for a little bit in case I have like another event to go to. This is another Reformation dress that I got for summer with a beautiful back. 100% summer right there. And yeah, this slip dress, also a year-round kind of item. So for handbags, this is the only one that I'm going to put in storage. This is like a 100% summer handbag. My other handbags are, again, all year round. So that makes this process much easier and quicker. All right, for the jeans, I took out all the jeans that have ribs. First of all, ribs are not really my style anymore. I mean, a little bit of a rib is okay, but some of my jeans have too many ribs. But I'm still going to wear them because, if you know, most of my pants I get altered, so I invest into them, and ribs will come and go, so I'll just keep them. So I removed those, put them into storage for spring and summer next year, and also my linen pants, of course. This is my shirts and blazers section. Obviously, all the linen shirts are going away. Let's move on to this section over here. These are just my underwear and some bodysuits, which I keep in, of course, all year round. I love bodysuits for layering. And in here, we do have some stuff like this dress, super summery, shorts, crop tops. So I'm just going to go through this, and also I want to fold them like Emma Hill does, just for organization purposes. I think it's way better to get the drawers prepared for like chunky knits and things like that. For summer, like my drawers were pretty empty because the clothing items are of course lighter and thinner, but for fall and winter I need a little bit more space, so let's just do that. All right, so look at how much more space I have now. Like I only have this little section. I love it. I love this method. I have to discipline myself to keep doing it though, but it really saves space and you can like get a lot, like way more stuff into the drawers if you fold your items this way. And also like it makes sense because I know like right away what I have here, and I also love that it's very satisfying to do it like color coordinated. All right, in this drawer I don't have much. Like this is my pajamas and workout clothes and just like clothes that I wear at home mostly. Like, but honestly, what am I doing with this? This is a t-shirt that at this point, I mean, look at all the holes that it has. So this is like really going away. This is another one that's like going, so this is like the opportunity also to purge and to really be critical about like what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of, what I'm donating, what I'm selling, all of that. So I'm just going to organize this one as well. And let's go to the shoes next. So the first part is ready. I have this one bag right here, and this one for the shoes, and that one handbag from Called Gaia. And then the next task is to get all of this organized into the shelves and the drawers. But I just wanted to stop here for a second because I realized that I didn't have like not even one piece that I wanted to donate or sell. I had like the pretty much t-shirts with holes that just I need to get rid of at some point, and now is the moment. But other than that, like everything is going with me for the next season, and I'm so proud of myself. Like I've come a long way with my style. I really know what I like right now, and I feel so confident in it. And also the fun part is that for next year, so for next spring and summer, I can add new things to my wardrobe, new things that I was missing this year, like those holes that I'm missing in my wardrobe, instead of like buying the same stuff again, because the things that I have, like most of them are like good quality. So yeah, like I'm actually practicing what I'm preaching to you guys, which is always a good thing. I was surprised by myself because normally I have quite a few items that I don't like anymore, or that don't fit me anymore, or that I'm like, I'll sell this, or I'll donate it. Like at least 10 pieces. Like this time around, none, like zero. Like how is this possible? I love everything, like even shoes. Love it all. So I think I already saw some things in my fall winter pieces that are not my style anymore, but that's normal because that's already 6 months ago. But still, I think it will be less than previous years, but we'll see. So let's get that part started. All right, I'm finally done. This took way more hours than, you know, if I would have done it without filming, but everything for y'all. I just love this process. I love like taking you through the process of like, you know, explaining what my thoughts are behind the things that I do. So yeah, but this is the final result. You can see right here I have my coats. I have my sweaters, like some of my sweaters on this shelf right here. Handbags kind of remained the same. More sweaters in this drawer. And here I have some basics and some like layering pieces, gym wear. All my pants right here. Blazers and shirts over here, and then I have shoes over here. So for this part of for the fall winter wardrobe, there were only two pieces that I don't like anymore. One silk shirt that's way too oversized, and one blazer that's not really my kind of fit anymore. I don't like how it's cut. And but that's it. So pretty good as well. I'm so happy with this process. Like, this really makes me feel so reassured that my style is like spot on. And I do feel like I do have some room to grow, to experiment a little bit more now, but my foundation is so solid. I'm also like very happy that I have like space to buy new things as well, just things that I've been missing in my wardrobe, especially in the shoe department. I've been telling you guys I really want to get like the perfect ankle boots and also some knee-high boots, jackets that I'm missing. So we'll be getting that throughout the upcoming months, and I can't wait to, you know, start styling all of my pieces again. I mean, I've been doing fall outfits already, but when you do like a proper switch over, you know, you get more inspiration. It feels like you are shopping your own wardrobe, because these are pieces that I haven't seen for 6 months. So very excited to style them again, make like capsule wardrobe videos, fall essential videos, winter, all of that. So thank you so much for watching all the way through. I hope you loved the process and that this inspires you to do the same if you have the room and the privilege, of course, and also of course if you live in a climate that has seasons. But either way, I just hope that this was a little bit entertaining as well. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe. I mean, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you might as well subscribe. So let's get to the 100K. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.